Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C300 4MATIC Cabriolet. This one's a graphite gray metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the C-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. We've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A magma gray MB Tex interior. Coming around back here, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. This one does come with blind spot assist. On the side here we have Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a natural grain gray oak wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls that are now touchpad with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. A rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys. A wireless charging, USB port, cup holders. Our command center with our different dynamic selects. This vehicle has only 4,554 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.